recipe for you guys. Alright, so remember, share this video, like this video, comment on this video. Alright, so let's just get ready tonight. As I'm saying, this is ingredients of some onions, some scallion, some bell pepper over here, red and green, and I got some scotch bonnet pepper. I got some tomato, and these are the franks, and these are the 3 eggs that so I'm gonna put all the mixture together now and then move over. Okay, now to the egg mixture I'll be adding a little bit of black pepper, pinch of salt, yeah. Then now I'll be mixing up this, mixing it out properly, yeah. Alright, after mixing out the egg, I'll be placing the seasoning into the bowl. Right, I'll be placing the seasoning into this container. Tomato, pepper. These are the bell pepper, red and green. I'm trying to make this as colorful as possible. So here's the franks. Yeah. Then now I'm gonna mix all this together. Alright. I will be pouring the ingredients into this ziplock bag. So what I'm gonna do now, I already have the pot on the fire with the water. The water is boiling, right? So I'm gonna place this into the pot with the water and let it boil for about 15 minutes. Big up Chef Shadrach, Chef Mackay, cause you know last week Sunday he give me the recipe and I need to take it from him fully, you know. But based on what him say, you just know say it goes. So I'm just do the video, upload it, and then I just send it to him. You see? Removing it on the plastic. thank you guys for watching. You make it to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy this simple and easy recipe. All right, and remember guys, try it and come back in the comment section, comment and tell me the outcome of it. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe, comment, leave a like, and share the video for me guys. All right. Okay.